All right, guys. First day with the Jconcepts Tusks. I just picked these up yesterday, so I figured I'd come out to Lucky Peak to check them out, see how they do. It's about 45 degrees Fahrenheit, so just barely warm enough, for the tires to be working okay. Um, I just made this insane climb that I've been trying for a while. Haven't been able to do. Um, and it was so insane that I just like started laughing. But I'm gonna try it again, and hopefully I can get it on camera. All right, here we go. So you guys have seen this one before, but instead of going up, I'm just gonna try to walk it across the face of that rock. It's just like sticking there. Okay, let's try it again.